Hi, Tom. How are you doing? I feel like I haven't seen you in ages.
Hey, Sarah. I'm good. Just buried in books. Yeah, it's exam season, right? Were you ready for the history final?
Oh, not really. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed, to be honest. There's so much material to cover.
I know, right? It's a lot. I've been trying to make study guides, which helps a little.
That's a good idea. I just keep rereading my notes, but it doesn't feel like enough.
Maybe we could go over some topics together sometime next week. A different perspective might help.
That would be amazing, Tom. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks.
No problem at all. We're in this together. What about the math exam? Are you feeling better about that one?
Math is always tough for me, but I've been to a few review sessions, so I'm hoping for the best.
Good luck with it. I heard Professor Davies makes his exams pretty challenging.
Tell me about it. Anyway, I should probably get back to my history notes. Wish me luck.
You too, Sarah. We'll ace them. See you around.
Bye, Tom.
Bye.